Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today we have another interesting job that I probably do once, maybe twice a month, and every time somebody finds me, it is from YouTube. This is a new client. I have totally forgot the city that we're in, but when I tell you guys, it is a beautiful scenery, as you can see behind me. It's almost like going towards Blue Ridge. And the client actually called me earlier this week, said, Courtney, we have this house, we got a concrete basement floor, and there's just this stuff on the floor that we see in your videos that we need you to come out here and take care of. He quoted 2,200 square feet. I just measured, it was actually 2,168 square feet. And what we're gonna be doing is cleaning and sealing the floors today, and that's $2 a square foot. I got my guy with me, Aaron, and also Tavares. Guys, when I tell you it is beautiful out here, it is beautiful out here. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so this is where we are. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I played, I'm a gamer, just in case some of you guys didn't know. And there's a game that I like to play. It's called Red Dead Redemption 2. And it kind of reminds me of the game, because you see a lot of this. But, so here we are, guys. It was about a good hour and 40-minute drive. And usually I can get to Blue Ridge in about 2 hours. So let me show you what we are doing. Okay, here we go. I went out also today. I went and did 2 in-home consultations. Both of them went well, but they're both are going to be sanding jobs. So I want to be having my guy Aaron do some sanding for those clients. One actually found me on YouTube. He said him and his wife, they moved from Missouri. And he said, Courtney, we have been following you for a long time. And unfortunately, their floors had a lot of pet stains and water stains from the previous owner. So I told him, I said, the only way this is going to come out, and it's a lot, I said, we just need to sand the floors. And then my other client, she has a lot of water damage and her floors need to be sanded. She said, well, Courtney, do you think the screen will recoat? I said, no, it would not fix this. This would need to be fully sanded. So anyway, guys, look at this beautiful scenery, man. I got some horses over there, horse farm. So let me show you what we got going. Again, this is a service that we do. People, a lot of homes in Georgia have these concrete floors in the basement. And you can see all that Georgia red clay. There's Aaron sweeping, there's Tavares getting the floors wet. And what we're gonna do is use this buffer. And we have a very aggressive padding that we use to break the dirt from the concrete. Okay, then we're going to extract, and then we're going to put down a sealer to seal the concrete. All right, guys, let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Such is Georgia. Such is Georgia. Right. Riding through them hills where the pine trees sway. Red dirt road, yeah, led me this way. Got a call from a man, said I seen you on the screen. Basement floor looking tired, lost his whole sheen. Old Georgia dirt, yeah, settled in deep. Years of life that the concrete keep. He said, can you make that drive, bring it back alive? I said, one-day system, yeah, we gon' revive.
Bring it back.
Bring it back, bring it back.
Truman One-Day.
We bring it back to life.
From that Georgia clay
to that shine so bright.
down in the basement
where the stories lay.
we clean it, seal it,
Send them on their way.
hallelujah.
couldn't take no more. Dust flew light when we screamed it down. Now that surface smooth, no more worn out ground.
No more worn out ground.
Gloss laid down like a southern sunrise, shining so clean you can see your eyes. Country air blowing through that open door. Whole place feel brand new once more. Yeah. Out here in Suches, trees all around, peace in the air. Just good people and honest work.
Truman one day,
we bring it back to life,
from that Georgia clay
to that shine so bright,
in the basement
where the stories lay.
we clean it, seal it,
Send them on their way.
shine on,
Shine on.
shine on.
Oh,
One day,
that's all it takes.
hard work.
No mistake.
One day,
That's all it takes.
hard work.
No mistake. Riding back slow through them Georgia trees. Cool breeze blowing, Lord putting me at ease. Another flow done, yeah, another soul blessed. Truman one day, we give it our best.
Bring it back, 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 bring it back. Such is Georgia.
Yes, ma'am. All right, guys, we are done. We're gonna let this dry. You see that nice look? You see it's drying right here. So I'm with the missus of the house, Carolyn, okay? And her husband, John, who initially found me. Thank you so much, John. They are so happy with the results of the concrete floor. And, look, and again, guys, this is a service, you know, again, I don't push it as much, but I do the YouTube videos. So when people search, we come up and they'll see those videos and they'll say, that's exactly what I need. And again, like I always explain in my videos, that Georgia red clay, it does stain. When I used to clean carpets, you know, people have dogs and kids and they'll get that Georgia red clay in the carpet fibers, and I tell them it's not going to come out with the cleaning. Sometimes we can treat it with peroxide and they will try to bleach it out, but this looks really good. So, all right, guys, that's going to do it. We're going to go ahead and hit the road, and we got like another about an hour. It's about an hour and 40-minute drive. I let T leave early. And then tomorrow we have two projects. We got one in Cummings, screen and recoat engineered floors with UV curing. And then we also have a small kitchen and a countertop to do in Stone Mountain. And we're gonna be off for 3 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. All right, guys, see you in the next one.